Understanding Wind Warning, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the phrase, wind warning. This is a common term in weather reports, and understanding it can be very useful, especially if you're in a region where wind can significantly impact your plans. Let's dive in. A wind warning is an alert issued by weather services. It indicates that strong and potentially hazardous winds are expected in a region. These warnings are important for safety reasons, as high winds can cause damage to buildings, disrupt transportation, and pose risks to people and animals. Key points. A warning is different from a watch or forecast. Warnings are issued when there's a high certainty of strong winds. The criteria for a wind warning can vary by region. When a wind warning is issued, it usually means that outdoor activities could be dangerous. It's important to understand the potential impacts, which can include disruption of outdoor plans like picnics or sports events, danger to structures like buildings and bridges, risks to personal safety, especially in open areas. Important to remember, always take precautionary measures during a wind warning. Stay updated with the latest weather reports. Responding appropriately to a wind warning is crucial. Here are some tips. Secure outdoor objects that could be blown away. Avoid unnecessary travel, especially in open areas. Stay indoors if advised by local authorities. Safety first. Check local guidelines for specific actions. Have an emergency kit ready in case of power outages. That's all about wind warning. I hope this video has helped you understand this important weather-related term and how to respond to it. Stay safe and make informed decisions when you hear a wind warning in your area. See you in our next video, where we'll explore more useful English phrases.